Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Tiki of Electronics. Today I have for repair is something Marantz AV receiver. I don't know what is the name. It's Chinese one. You can see it. Marantz sound AV receiver model. The problem in this is as I switch it on, see I am getting error power POW5 volt. So let's check out why this is happening and what's the issue inside. Okay, guys, friends, we'll now open the cover to check what is the issue in this. So instead of wasting time removing all screws, I already dismantled the screws. So we'll check it out now. What are the issues in this? So there is no. So we'll check the voltage over here first. What is the issue in this? We are getting the voltage proper or not? Okay, guys, we'll connect the power. We'll put it on. I put it on the switch right now. So we'll on from here. See the same problem. So the thing is, we need to check the voltage whether the some 5 volts should come to the system board or not. That we have to check it out first from here. .9, okay. See, I'm getting 4.9 over here. 0, 2.9. So here I must get some at least 7 volt over this, because this is going to the system control IC here, but I am not getting any voltage over here from this power supply board. Here from this connector, see this connector, I should get some voltage over here. See, not getting. I must get here some at least 6 to 7 volt to DC. So we'll check it out. We'll try to remove this board and check it out. So I'm removing out now this. I removed the screw. So we'll remove this one main board from here. So we'll check it out. So we'll check it out now. So I removed that power supply board. So I found one black resistor is open over here. See, I think this one. See, this resistor is looking black something. I think it's burned. So we'll check it out. We'll remove the resistor and check. So we'll try to remove this resistor, because this is resistor, through this resistor only it's coming over voltage here. It's completely become black. So we'll check the ohms. It's showing in mega ohms. It should not supposed to show mega ohms, 6 ohms, so it's become high value. See, so the resistor is supposed to be high value. So it's supposed to be some between 4 to 5 kilo ohms, but showing very high value ohms. So we'll check the exactly what resistance value should be there on the place. Found one resistor in my spare part stock, some 4.7k value. We'll check this one, because this value I found on the net for this model, so it's showing 4.6 kilo ohms. So we'll check this one now. So I have connected back the value of the resistor. So we'll check any shorting, something like that. So there is no shorting I found. So nothing, everything is okay. So now what we'll do, we'll put it back this power supply board. So then we'll check. Try to fix it back as it is. Then we'll check it out. What is the status in this set? Okay, guys, friends, keep watching it. We'll see what is it. So we'll put it back. So guys, I fit back the control board, the power supply board. So we'll check it out now. Okay, we'll put it on. See, it's gone. Now I'm getting voltage over here, which I was not getting before. See, 7 volt. Before it was not coming here. So I think because of that resistor was open, I found. So there was no voltage going to the system, the DSP board. This is the reason why it was showing before error power 5 volt. Now it's okay. It's working. That error power 5 is gone. Okay guys, thank you very much for watching this video. Share it, like it, comment it. If any comments is there, please leave a comment box in the comment box. Thank you very much for liking my video. Thank you very much. Take care guys.